So good evening, guys. Welcome to my video session, live video session. Today I'm going to make you meet with my student, Shivam Agarwal. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Yes,
How
sir.
are you doing, Shivam?
I'm doing phenomenal, sir. What about you?
I'm spectacular. So Shivam, introduce yourself to our viewers.
Guys, I'm Shivam Agarwal. I hail from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I did my 12th from Aklan Public School in Kota. Currently, I'm preparing for IELTS. And my father, Mr. Anukumar Agarwal, he's a business person. My mother, Mrs. Pinky Agarwal, she's a homemaker. I have younger sister. If I talk about my hobbies, I'm fond of various things like cooking, boxing, and beatboxing, etc. I have dreamed to witness myself in well-settled men in Canada. As far as I'm concerned, that's all about me. Thanks for listening to me so carefully.
So Shivam, if I ask a journey, first of all, tell our viewers who told you about this institute.
Sir, first of all, my mother was really worried about my English as she knows how importance of English in future. So she just searched on Google about nearby institution, English institution, and she came to know about this institution, English British of School. And then we went over all reviews that sir institution have, and it was really magnificent. After when we saw that, and finally we decided that we're gonna try this institution. And after coming over here, we were flabbergasted. So we right off the bat we took admission in this institution.
Shivam, you said me at the time of admission when you were here, when you came to me very first time. I can understand that. You went to every nick and corner. You've been
Yes,
pillar
sir.
to post like 90 घंटे वाला. You went over there.
Yes, sir.
You took a demo class over there. What
Yes.
was the experience over there?
So I've been to every nick and corner, and it was all back to square. They were all 90 ghantes walas and lifetime membership. Yeah, they were just providing you lifetime membership, and what do I have to do with that lifetime membership card? I can't learn English throughout my life. I have to work on my career also. They are just give you temptation, and they all are there just for your pockets. That's all. Assure to you.
How are you feeling over here now?
I'm feeling super duper confident over here, sir. As
And what sort of confidence before this institute like?
I was,
What sort of language you used to speak?
I used to speak Hindi as usual, and I was really pathetic in English that time. So,
If I talk about your confidence level,
oh, it's out of the sky.
top of the sky, right? So, delighted to talk to you.
Yes, sir.
Delighted meeting you, and keep flourishing. Give me a mic. So, guys, कहने का मतलब ये है, इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम परफेक्ट, अगर आपको इंग्लिश में परफेक्ट बनना है तो देखिए जो मार्केट में चल रहा है 90 घंटे में अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखिए, फेक है। लाइफ टाइम मेंबरशिप किसी का उसमें इतना टाइम नहीं होता, और कोई 90 घंटे में किसी को 90 दिनों में इंग्लिश नहीं आती है। दूसरा, ये लोग बोलते हैं अगर इंग्लिश नहीं आए तो पूरे पैसे वापस, तो आज के ज़माने में मुझे नहीं लगता कोई पैसे वापस करेगा। एक बार गए तो वो पैसे वापस नहीं करता है। आप हमारे पास में आइए, हमारी रिकॉर्डिंग बनाइए अपने मोबाइल के अंदर, हम उसमें क्लेम करेंगे कि अगर हम आपको इंग्लिश नहीं सिखा पाए तो हम अपना इंस्टीट्यूट बंद कर देंगे। इस प्रूफ के साथ में हम आपको इंग्लिश सिखाएंगे, और ये हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है। अगर आप लैग कर रहे हैं, वी आर देयर टू सपोर्ट यू। थैंक यू शिवम।
Thank you, sir. It's really nice to meet you, sir.
One more thing I would love to ask: why someone is supposed to come over here? Why one is supposed to come over here?
If you guys are lacking in your career because of English, and if you want to learn fluent English, you must come here, and you should take a demo class over here. And in this modern area, English is a really good skill if you have. If you want to, English can open many doors for your future. It can take
And
you
Shivam,
to the
how long
another
have you
level.
been- How long have you? Sorry to interrupt you. How long have you been studying over here? Tell us.
It's only been 30 days I came here. Yes,
You have
sir.
been studying for last
Yeah,
30
over
days.
to you, sir.
So 30 days ये अभी पढ़ रहे हैं। Can I have your mic, please?
Yes, sir.
अभी सिर्फ 30 दिन हुए इनको पढ़ते हुए, और अभी तो सफ़र लंबा है। लंबा नहीं है, 2 से 3 महीने का हम लोग लेते हैं, बट मैं जब तक नहीं छोड़ता जब तक सामने वाला अंग्रेज़ नहीं बन जाता है। और उसके बाद में परफेक्ट हो गए हैं, और परफेक्शन लाना बाकी है। उसके बाद में इनकी लाइफ है, एंड ही विल बी गुड टू गो, राइट। थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच।